Hello. In this video, we will show how to reset your SETAF account password through the License Manager application. If you forget your password, you can quickly start the reset process by using the Forgot SETAF Account Password button on the screen. Now let's click this button. In the password reset window, you need to enter the email address linked to your SETAF account. Now we enter the email address of our SETAF account. Then we click the Send Code button below. After we click this button, a message appears confirming that the verification code is sent successfully. After reading the message, we go to the email inbox. As you can see, an email has arrived. Here we copy the verification code from this email. Then we return to the password reset window. We paste the copied code into the code field. Next, we click the Verify Code button. A message appears confirming that the verification is successful. This message says that a temporary password and the username are sent to our email address. Now let's close this message and return to the inbox. In the inbox, we can see an email from SETAF. This email includes your SETAF account username and password. With this username and temporary password, you can log in again and set your own new password. Thanks for watching.